Well, I'll tell you, Monty, we have a micromoon coming our way here this weekend. And so I thought it'd be interesting to take a look at what exactly a micromoon is. Now, what it is we've all heard of the term the supermoon. Let me get out of the way of the moon there. There we go. And the supermoon is when the moon appears just a little bit bigger, maybe about 10% bigger or so in the sky or so. The orbit of the moon around the Earth, unlike in this example I have here, is not perfect circle, right? In this example here, the moon is orbiting around the Earth in a perfect circle. But in reality, it's kind of more of a big, long ellipse, kind of it wobbles a little bit. So there's times when it's a little bit closer to the Earth, which is your supermoon. And then there's times when it's a little bit further away from the Earth, which is your micromoon. So when it is that wobble where it appears a little further away from the Earth, it's going to look a little tiny bit smaller, maybe a little bit not quite as bright or so. And that's what we have coming our way this weekend. It's called, again, a micromoon. And just for every supermoon that we have in the course of a year, we'll have an opposite of that, a micromoon. And we have one of those coming our way here this Saturday night. So again, it's going to appear about 14% smaller and about 30% duller, I guess, than a typical supermoon does. We'll see the supermoons happen again. Let me get out of the way there. Supermoons happen again in the fall. And this weekend, this Saturday night, we'll look forward towards a micromoon.